My name is Caleb Park. I am the CCO of SOTTO. Today we'll be going over a coping skill, but before that, I do recommend that to find the right coping skills, that you schedule an appointment with one of our SOTTO coaches to see what fits your situations the best to find the right coping skills for you. Let's go over grounding technique. Grounding technique is a technique that helps you to find balance in life. Whenever you feel anxious, depressed, or physically you feel very imbalanced, mentally or physically, grounding technique helps you to find that balance and to find that neutrality in your physics and mentality. So how it goes is you find a comfortable sitting, just like a chair, that preferably with a back to support your back. Have your back straight, comfortably sitting. Have your 2 feet flat on the ground and your 2 hands flat on your laps. And how we start is we take a deep breath at your own pace. And as you're taking your deep breath, I want you to close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, I want you to locate 3 sounds you can locate. Once you are able to locate those 3 sounds, raise your hand for me. And it's okay if you don't get to find it. Another 5 seconds. Okay. And next, I want you to locate 3 things you can smell. And same thing, once you are able to locate those 3 things, as you're taking a deep breath, raise your hand. And again, it's okay if you don't get to find it. And lastly, open your eyes. And I want you to locate 3 things around your room or wherever you're located to find anything you can see. 3 things. And once you're done, I want you to take a deep breath. And now, at the end of the technique, you should be feeling more of balance, more of calmness in your body. So I hope it helped, and if you need more help, I would suggest that you book a meeting with our SOTTO coach. But thank you for coming for the coping skills.